these cameras are here because the exciting news, we are here in Tucson, Arizona. I'm with my newfound friend, Rich Worster, and we are signing his lease today. Actually already done. So it is free. He's got his free laundromat. You're gonna see lots and lots of YouTubes coming out of this. I'm the guy that negotiated his lease. I'm gonna ask him just one question. How does it feel to get the keys to your free laundromat and have how many months of free rent?
8 months of free rent.
8 months of free rent. How does it feel?
It feels like hitting the lottery.
Really?
I feel excited, and I also feel satisfied, like the plan worked out.
Big difference between signing a lease for your first apartment where you get first and last month's rent, and then you have to return the place in 6 years with clean carpets and drapes. I mean, this is business, and you're here to do what? What do you want to do with this business?
We want to make cash flow.
Okay.
We want to
You're afraid to say money. It's
Yes.
funny how we don't want to say it out loud. Say it loud, say it proud. We want to make.
Lots and lots of quarters.
Okay, yeah, quarters equal dollars, dollars equal IRAs. I just wanted to do this quick phone thing because we've got the whole camera crew here and we're going to get this out to you, but wanted you to know, Tucson, Arizona, there's still plenty of stores to be had. Come and steal them from Rich. Get my silly video. God bless America. Thank you, Rich.
Thank you, Daddy. Appreciate it very much.
With Rich Worster, we're in Tucson, Arizona.
Welcome to Tucson.
An asshole. That was perfect. I'll use that later. Start again.